but from Qatar. I currently work in Dubai as a fashion designer, and I came all the way here for this. Totally loving it. It's fun. So what I'm wearing is this top. It's from Zara. This skirt's from Zara. This is Gucci. These earrings are from Mango, and those shoes are from Mango. I have worked in Lakme when I was in uni, when I was in college. So this coming here as a guest after working here assisting here as a student, this is a big opportunity for me, and I'm totally liking it. It's so much fun. It feels so good, like to come back as a guest. As a kid, I always wanted to be a designer, and yeah, I always used to draw sketches, make sketches, and yeah, fashion is like a childhood dream for me. Yeah.